First player to win 4. He peaked in 2016 in terms of world ranking, as we mentioned earlier. One of the best players I've ever seen, if not the best player. Moregard will be looking to get in with the first topspin behind the serve. To attack. Very flat. Payoff. It's been improvised shot. Oh, what a backhand. Hole.
11.
And there it is. That's 3 consecutive. Turning point in this first round match. 2 match this one. So potentially he could get stronger as the match. As well, so hence 5-2 now. Moregard in the lead. Needs coming up. Keeping the ball on the table. Oh, that's... Oh, now with an 8-7 lead. Topspin is decisive between these two play each other. There it was. Again. No, he can't. Great return of service, and that forehand topspin down the line wins the